Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, Voice of Animals and Awareness. Today I am going to discuss about flood, a natural disaster, along with sound of a hungry bird. We have to make a plan for rescue and relief measure, along with flood forecasting and proper warning system to minimize vulnerability to flood and consequent loss of lives, livelihood, system, property, and damage to infrastructure and public utilities. Dams, reservoir, and other water storage, both natural and man-made, are an effective means for reducing the flood peaks in the river. The important role played by them in flood modernization and comprehensive mechanism for operation and regulation of reservoirs. An effective and prompt response to flood is very important for minimizing the loss of lives and properties and providing immediate relief to the affected people. The role of communities and NGOs is vital in such rescue and relief operation, immediate medical assistance to the affected people, and step for prevention of outbreak of epidemic after the flood are essential component of flood response. Areas with poor drainage facilities get flooded by accumulation of water from heavy rainfall, excess irrigation water applied to common area, and increase in good groundwater level due to seepage from canals and irrigated field also are factors that accentuate the problem of waterlogging. The problem is exacerbated by factors such as silting of the riverbed, reduction in the carrying capacity of river channel, erosion of beds and banks leading to change in river courses, obstruction to flow due to landslide, synchronization of flood in the main and tributary river, and retardation due to tidal effect. Historically, civilization have developed along river courses. Towns have grown faster on account of increase or influx of population. Owing to lack of regulation or control, there has been considerable encroachment of flood plains. Damages become serious as a result of inadequate capacity of stormwater drainage system. Due to peculiar climatic conditions, some part of the various country experience sudden unprecedented heavy rainfall known as cloudburst. Sometimes glaciers hold large quantity of bounded water which may be suddenly released with melting of ice block, resulting into glacial lake outburst floods. During and after floods, birds and animals also suffer a lot. They face critical situation for drinking water and foods. While a bird searching for food makes sound like this. Viewers, if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel, Voice of Animals and Awareness. Thank you.